100% made in India product a month ago, and it is now putting the pedal to the metal because CNBC TV 18's Prerna Barua reports that the company has put in motion a plan to make India the global export hub for its hardware products.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Make in India initiative has a fan in American network solution giant Cisco. 5 months since starting operations to manufacture access points and routers at its spanking new facility in Pune, Cisco says its Make in India story has just begun. It has begun an exercise that will see India becoming its global export hub.
We wanted to make products for the domestic market, all in the networking space. From here on, we're working with the government. We're also working with a lot of the ecosystem partners around the world. In fact, we held a conference in Bangalore where we got about 90 of our partners to come in. These are global supply chain partners, providers of ours, to tell them the benefits of making in India. Once we stitch that together, our intent is to make it a global export hub.
Cisco's latest tryst with India began last year with the promise of a $100 million investment. And Cisco is confident it will complete all ongoing projects under the India Digitization Acceleration Program on time.
We also invested as part of that program about $100 million where we said that, look, we're going to use this to accelerate digitization. We've got 50 projects we identified, from setting up a security operations center in the country to a full cyber range capability to improve skills to innovation centers. Once we're done with these projects, we should have probably the best infrastructure in the country in terms of doing R&D here, to manufacturing here, to providing world-class services to our customers, etc. That's the platform. I think from there it's about scale.
This confidence is not surprising. After all, India accounts for a significant portion of the company's global headcount, with the majority of them in R&D roles, and it files about 2 patents a week from here. Cisco's Indian operations gave over $1 billion in revenues in FY15, and Cisco says this number will double in FY18.
The last 9 quarters, we've had very good growth. We've been called out regularly as one of the fastest growing countries for Cisco. We got Country of the Year last year. I would say we're on track. We see that the Indian market is today moving much faster than we anticipated in terms of digitization.
The numbers looks like 2% of the contribution currently from India.
So frankly, we don't break it down specifically on the numbers by country.
Okay.
But I think, like I said, like that was mentioned by our CEO, one day hopefully we will be achieving the goal of being, probably one of the largest countries outside of the US.
For this, Cisco is banking on the digital revolution that is taking India by storm, and believes that the digital disruption being seen across sectors is the perfect opportunity to accelerate investments and kick growth in India up a notch. In New Delhi, Prerna Barua.